Yeah, that's perfect.
Yo guys, what is up? Thank you for checking out the video. Today we're gonna go practice some wheelies, maybe find a new off-road, well, go to a new off-road spot I think I found, and just kind of do whatever. It's a beautiful Saturday, very warm, but we'll manage. I might take off the jacket at the spot, get a little risky, just so I don't overheat, but we got a Gatorade packed. We should be good, but yeah, just hyped to ride. I haven't really been able to ride a lot recently, so excited to do so. Some false neutrals. Woo, what are we doing here? This little bike might need a new clutch. Alright, time to do our shortcut. We'll start with first. Do a knee knocker. I feel like I would not be comfortable doing that at all. It just feels so awkward to me. Alright, alright, alright. One of my best, sadly. Oh, the air feels so good. Little hill. Wow. I should come practice on this hill. Bike seat. Nice. Very cool. Woo. No hand guards now, gotta remember that. Whoa. Well, how do we do this? I mean, we've got a skid plate, right? Oh my god, it looks gnarly up there. Oh! Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know about that. Oh, fuck me. There we go. To be fair, that's a pretty big log. Yo guys, alright, so we're back at the spot I was at last video when my friend bought his R8. Let me know if you guys liked that video. I thought it was kind of fun. Pretty sick car. But yeah, there's like that track area right down there. The gate was open last time, so I think I'll be able to go back there. Hopefully it's open still. I don't know where it leads or how long it is or if it's even any good, but I figured we might as well give it a shot. And it's open. No loitering. No animals. Okay. Alright. The only animal is this fucking CRF250L. Very cool. There's people down here too. Let's get some shots of the bike.
Come on, light it up. Let's get chaz, man. Hold on, man. I got the real shit right here, man. Oh, that's my dick. Stop, bro.
Onward we go. Whoa. Very bumpy. Oh yeah. Alright, so the trail keeps going over here, I think. Yeah, here we go. Back on track. Can't wait to just encounter some random wackos back here. Whoa, right along the water? This is dope. Woohoo! Oh, watch the rock. Can we make this? Shit. Woo! Man, I'm really getting back here. Wonder where I'm going even. Who knows? This is sick, right along the water. Again, guys, not a very good off-roader, as you can tell, but we're learning here. Whoa. Man, this goes all the way back. I think this is where I get stopped. Yeah. Still pretty sick, though. Oh, we'll get some shots on the water. As long as we're able to get this pig back up. Almost fucking dropped it. Oh, let's hope this wasn't a mistake. Oh, this was a mistake. I can tell you that for sure right now. This is so soft. That'll be fun. Alright, now the scary moment, guys, to see how hard it is to get this thing out of here. It's already digging a hole. Oh, man. Okay. Right up. Fuck. What? Oh, fuck. Come on. Alright, let's just go straight up this shit. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. No! Oh. 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 We broke the mirror! Stay! Shit! Oh my goodness. Alright. I'm not giving up on you. You old pig. You old pig. Alright, alright. We got this. No, we don't got this. Oh jeez, I knew this was gonna happen. Look at it. Just take it right up here. My God. That was terrible.
I'm sagging a meal. I beat the streets, I ain't going to jail. Was killer, be killed, am I going to hell? I told her drive, ignore that little smell. Just make sure you ain't driving too fast while I trail.